Hello my beautiful friends and welcome to my channel. My name is Mandy and I like to talk about things in real life, which today is an Ipsy unbagging. So if that's something you're interested in, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and stay tuned for today's video. Well, it is time once again to open up my Ipsy bag. Now, I have to admit, the last couple months I have been really slacking. I haven't picked any products, and this month I haven't looked. I may have looked to see what's in the bag, but I have absolutely no recollection of what I was getting. So this is totally a surprise. So yeah, hopefully it's good stuff. And yeah, let's start and get into the bag. So we'll pull out, ooh, it has a lovely feel. This month's bag has a wave texture and is this blue thing. Oh, and it's got a little starfish pull. And I think there was something in here. Just a card, it looks like. So this month's theme is soak it all in. And okay, it tells me inside what the items in the bag are. And there's no extras in there. Nope. Okay, mailer, be gone. So everything this month fits in my bag. Almost matches my hair. Not quite, but almost. So let's get into soak it all in. The sun, the shimmer, the SPF. This month, savor every moment, whether it's an impromptu pool dip or self-care spa day, and leave those to-dos till tomorrow. I like that. All right, first thing I have is, ooh, from Benefit, the Bad Gal Bang mascara. A little deluxe size mascara. I needed a mascara, and this is in intense pitch black. I'm not going to open it right now, but that is cool. It is bigger, badder, volumizing mascara from Benefit. Yay, we've got a mascara. I like that. Okay, next up is a tube, and it is Goldfaden MD's Solution Vital Boost Even Tones. What? Words are getting in wrong order. Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturizer with vitamin D, hyaluronic acid, and gooseberries. This multifaceted hydrating moisturizer delivers a brightening glow to all skin types. So we get a skincare. So one makeup and one skincare. Yay, so far so good. Ooh, here's something in a pot. Oh, what do we have here? It is, Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm and Revitalizing. So that little guy there. I have one of these. It's in a different formula. It's in the pink one. But that is good. Has this kind of a cucumber scent. I like it. Makeup removing balm. Okay. And then next up is a tube. It's a gloss. What kind of gloss? Who's it by? Well, tell me the things. It doesn't tell me any of the things. This, I'm guessing, is in the shade Romantic. LCB. And it looks like a gloss. Let me check my card and get some information. Here we go. Lovecraft Beauty Glare Gloss in Romantic. You'll want to wear this golden peach lip gloss every single day. It's not too shiny, not too shimmery, and not the least bit sticky. All right. So let me get this open really quick. Where is the dotted lines? I saw them. It's all shrink wrapped. I can't open it to see what it looks like. But it's a really pretty component. Get it. Get it. So satisfying. Alright. Remove all that plastic wrap. And now it tells me even less. That's okay. So LCB Lovecraft Beauty is there, the logo there. And then on this end it says it's the shade Romantic. And let me get a swatch of that. Oh, bad. It's got a little bit of color. There we go. Just a light sheer gloss in a peachy color. And did it? No, I thought it clicked into place. I was like, did it click? Kind of. It kind of clicks to see. And it's very nice packaging. It's just got that little cross there and then the thing there. Awesome. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's one more Pride item in here. Yes, it's a big tube. It is Mark Anthony's Grow Long Restoring Anti-Breakage Mask. It's a hair mask. For strengthen and protect, corrects damaged strands and reinforces strength with caffeine and ginseng. So we got a lovely hair mask. Cool. I have a few of these already, but this one is nice. I'm not going to open it to see if it smells, but I was like, does it smell good? So, excuse me, we've got some hair mask, so something for my hair, some makeup, so we got lip gloss and mascara, and then we've got some skincare. We've got the moisturizer and the cleansing balm. I can't say no to any of these things. I really like it. I didn't pick any of them, but if I had picked one, I don't know what it would have been. But yeah, I looking forward to trying this cleanser. Looking forward to trying the mascara, and the moisturizer always comes in handy. Lip gloss, can never have enough lip gloss, and a hair mask. Apparently I can never have enough hair masks because I have a few now, but that's okay. One more. So that's everything that came in this month's Ipsy bag. If you want to get a bag of your own, I will have a referral link in the description box. And yeah, that's it. Tell me what you think if you have any feedback. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my content, hit the subscribe button. I greatly appreciate each and every one of my subscribers. It means a lot that you want to see what I create. So until my next video, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you later. Bye.